Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your eyebrows. So I'm sorry I haven't uploaded since, let's see, Wednesday, but I was in the process of moving, so I haven't been able to. So I'm gonna get right into it. First, you want to line your eyebrows how you want them to look. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are outlined the way I normally do them, you want to take your tweezers and just go through and get all the little hairs out that aren't in that outlined area. And don't forget to do the middle. So then you want to, once you get the bottom done, you want to take a spoolie and just go through there. Okay, so this one is done. And that's this one compared to that one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I'm gonna take this Josie Maran 100% argan oil. I'm just gonna take a little bit and just put it right over that. And that's all you have to do. So you can go through to get out their spoolie. Okay, and that's all. If there is small little hairs that you can't get, even if you go towards the brow, you can get one of those little facial hair razors, and that will get them. But normally, if you have good razors, you can normally get them pretty good. So that's how I do my brows. So the next video I'm going to be uploading, I'm about to shoot right now. It's going to be a fall look, and I will be uploading that tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.